Okay everyone, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see a new topic, poem trees. See, we know we have many trees in the world, isn't it? Okay, see what is going to do in this particular poem trees. So this trees poem just explain about the specialities of a trees. So some list of trees here given. So that particular trees specialities only explained in this particular poem trees. Okay. See this poem trees is written by Sarah Coleridge. So she is the author of this particular poem trees. Okay. Sarah Coleridge. She is an English writer only. Okay. So she is a playwright and also write some short stories and poems and then some novels also. Okay. See this poem trees that is written by Sarah Coleridge. You just memorize the spelling in this particular author. Okay. Because this is your memory lines, memory poem. You have to write the poem title and also the author name at the end of the poem. Okay. If you write like this only means you can get the full marks. Okay. Yeah. See that. See the spelling. Sarah Coleridge. S-A-R-A. Sarah Coleridge. C-O-L-E-R-I-D-G-E. Sarah Coleridge. Okay. So this, the title is, it's an easy title. Trees. So this author name you just memorize that spelling. Okay. Yeah. And then this poem is telling about some list of trees and its qualities. What are this list of trees? See, banyan tree. Okay. Banyan tree and people and coconut tree. After that neem tree and tamarind tree and dates leaf. Okay. Next teak tree and mango tree. So these kinds of trees only explained about in this particular poem trees. Okay. So banyan tree. So what is its speciality? And pupil tree. What is its speciality? And coconut and neem, tamarind, dates and teak and mango. So this only we are discussed about in this particular poem. Okay. So this is an interesting poem, easy and simple poem. There is no any hard words. So it's an easy and simple words only given in this particular poem. Okay. Shall we move to the poem? Yeah. Hi students. Welcome to our English class. Today's session is for you trees. That is a poem. So today for you poem is I am going to teach. Okay. Yeah. See the poem that is your memory poem. The memory poem trees. Do you know what is trees? What is tree? And we have many more trees in the world. We can't list that, isn't it? Yeah, so here this poem given some particular trees and its specialities. Okay. See, so this poem is fully explain about the trees and its specialities. Okay. Yeah, so what are the trees here given means banyan tree, peepal tree, coconut, neem tree, tamarind, date leaf, teak tree and mango. Okay, so these all the trees are explained its specialities through this poem trees. Okay. Yeah, see this poem is taken from the poem Sarah Coleridge. Okay, so this poem is written by Sarah Coleridge. So this is an adapted poem. This is not a full poem. Okay, this is derived from, this is adapted from another poem written by Sarah Coleridge. Okay. Yeah, let's we move to the poem. See the picture. What is the name of this tree? This is banyan tree, isn't it? Is it okay? Yeah. See how big is this? Did you see that in that direct manner? Yeah, see that? The banyan is the largest of trees. So, in compared to all other trees, which is the biggest and largest trees? Banyan. Okay, see, you just verify that what is banyan tree and pupil trees means what? Coconut, neem, tamarind, date leaf, teak and mango. You just search the Tamil apt word of this English name of the trees. Okay, yeah, so the banyan tree is the largest of trees. The pupil quivers in the breeze. Quivers means it's nothing but shakes quickly. That is that vibration. Okay, so compared to other trees, this pupil tree that is shakes quickly. Okay, so the pupil quivers in a breeze. Breeze means with the help of that air. Breeze means it's a smooth air only. We said breeze. Okay. Next, the coconut grows up straight and tall. Do you see the coconut tree? That is should be in a tallest tree. Yeah, straight and tall. Next, the neem tree's fruits are very small. Do you see the neem tree's fruits? That should be in a small size, very small. Next, the tamarind gives us pleasant shade. See the tamarind tree that gives a pleasant shade, pleasant shade. Next, pleasant mean enjoyable. Okay. Next, the date leaves is as sharp as a blade. Do you see the date leaves? So that leaves are should be in very sharp manner. Okay. So like a blade that is in a sharp manner. Next, the teak tree gives us useful wood. See the teak tree's woods mostly we just used to make the door and windows and then table, chair and cot. Okay, so the teak tree gives us useful wood and the mango gives us fruit that is good. So the mangoes, are you like the mango? I like very much. See, so the mango gives us fruit that is good. So everyone like the mango, isn't it? Yeah, so here given how many trees its qualities and specialities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 trees. So this poem is explained about 8 trees and its specialities. Banyan tree is very largest and pupil tree that quivers in very easily with the small smooth air, and coconut tree that is very tall and straight, and neem tree's fruits are very small and tamarind gives a shade. Next, date leaf is very sharp and teak tree gives a useful wood and the mango gives a tasty food. Okay, so it's a very simple and easiest poem. We can easily memorize that. So this is a memory poem for you. So just you easily memorize that. There is no any difficult word. There is no any big size words, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. So once again, I just read out you. The banyan is the largest of trees. The pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Sarah Coleridge. Sarah Coleridge. The author is Sarah Coleridge. Okay. Yeah. So in this poem contains the rhyming words. Did you find out the rhyming words? See, trees, breeze. Tall, small. Shade, blade. Wood, good. Yeah? Okay, so once again I just read out for you. The banyan is the largest of trees. The pupil quivers in the breeze. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is sharp as a blade. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Are you okay? Yeah. See, so from that, based on, you have a worksheet. So that should be very easy to you. You can easily find the answers. See, in this worksheet contains 4 Romans. Okay. See the first Roman, filling the blanks. The dash is the largest of trees. Next, the teak tree gives us useful dash. Next, the date's leaf is as sharp as a dash. The mango gives us dash that is good. The neem trees dash are very useful. Are you easy to that? Next, second Roman, write the rhyming words. First one, small, wood, blade, trees. You can find out the same rhyming words and write it here. Okay. Yeah. Next, third Roman, find the unscrambled words. So here given the words with spellings, but the spelling is not in a correct place. Okay. Unscrambled words. You just find out the correct word, correct spelling. 4 given here. Okay. Next, list out the trees names that mentioned in the poem. See, in the teaching time already I said, so how many trees are there in the poem and what are the trees are given, what are the trees specialities are list out here. Okay. You just write down the trees names only. So in that poem have 8 trees names. You just list out that. So easy worksheet, easy poem. There is no difficult here. Okay. Yeah. So after that you have an vocabulary part. So in that vocabulary today, homophones. What is homophones? Homophones means that 2 words that like a same sound, the pronunciation is same but the spelling and meaning is different, isn't it? See that? So first to 10 already we just read in that before achievement. Now 11 to 20 only for your today's part. Okay. See, 11th one, die, die, fair, fair, feet, feet, flower, flower, fall, foul, hair, hair, heel, heel, heard, heard, here, here, hold, hold. See, listen. See, die, die. Do you know the meaning of the word die and die? Just you take the dictionary and find out the meanings. D-I-E, die means what is the meaning, and D-Y-E, die means what is the meaning. Die means it's a death, die. D-I-E. D-Y-E, die means it's a color, die. Second, fair. Fair means it's a beauty. And next, fair. That is fair. That is truth. Okay. Yeah. Like that remainings, you just find out the meanings with the use of the dictionary. Okay. Yeah. See, once again, I just read out that die, die. Fair, fair. Feet, feet. Flower, flow. Foul, foul. Hair, hair. Heel, heel. Heard, heard. Here, here. Hole, hole. Are you clear? Yeah, so that's all students. The session is completed. So today's session, the trees poem, related to that you have a worksheet. So complete the worksheet and complete your home test. Do well, students. Thank you to all. Hi children, welcome back. Now time for material reading. So all of you take a material and take a pencil and listen carefully, okay? Yeah, so today your material reading part is first Roman, second Roman, third Roman and fifth Roman 3 questions and then sixth Roman 1 paragraph. Okay? Yeah, shall we move to that? See the first Roman, mind map. Trees, specialities. Trees, specialities. Banyan tree, the largest. Banyan tree, the largest. Peepal tree, cubus. Peepal tree, cubus. Coconut tree, straight and tall. Coconut tree, straight and tall. Neem tree, gives small fruits. Neem tree, gives small fruits. Tamarind tree, give pleasant shade. Tamarind tree, gives pleasant shade. Date tree, sharp blade leaf. Date tree, sharp blade leaf. Teak tree, gives useful wood. Teak tree, gives useful wood. Mango tree, gives good fruit. Mango tree, gives good fruit. Okay? Next, second Roman, synonyms. So, synonyms means similar meaning. Yeah? Okay, first one, curious. Curious, shakes quickly. Curious, shakes quickly. Pleasant, enjoyable. Pleasant, enjoyable. Next, third Roman, rhyming words. Trees, breeze. Tall, small. Shade, blade. Wood, good. Trees, breeze. Tall, small. Shade, blade. Wood, good. Okay? Next, fifth Roman, contest. Reference contest. 3 is there. Okay? First one. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The coconut grows up straight and tall. The neem tree's fruits are very small. The neem tree's fruits are very small. See the question. How does the coconut tree grow? How does the coconut tree grow? The coconut tree grows straight and tall. The coconut tree grows straight and tall. How are the fruits of neem tree? The neem tree fruits are very small. The neem tree fruits are very small. Next, second one. See, the number is changed here. Okay, you just change it into your material. First one, second one and third one. Okay. Yeah. The tamarind gives us pleasant shade. The date's leaf is as sharp as a blade. What does the tamarind tree give and why it is pleasant? What does the tamarind tree give and why is it pleasant? Tamarind tree gives pleasant shade. The shade is cool. The shade is cool and breezy to take rest. And breezy to take rest. So it is pleasant. So it is pleasant. Next, what is referred as blade? What is referred as blade? The date tree's leaves. the date tree's leaves as sharp as a blade or sharp as a blade. Next, third one, the teak tree gives us useful wood. The teak tree gives us useful wood. The mango gives us fruit that is good. The mango gives us fruit that is good. Why is wood useful? Why is wood useful? The wood from the teak tree can be used for making wooden things. Next, what does the mango tree give? Mango tree gives us mangoes which taste good. Mango tree gives us mangoes which taste good. Next, 6th Roman paragraph. So one paragraph only today, first paragraph. So listen carefully. What are the trees mentioned in the poem, and what do each tree contribute to the people? The trees mentioned in the poem are the banyan tree, the peepal tree, the coconut tree, the neem tree, the tamarind tree, the date tree, the teak and the mango tree. The banyan tree is the largest tree which provides pleasant shade to the tired people. The banyan is the largest tree which provides pleasant shade to the tired people. The peepal tree also gives cool breeze as its leaves shakes in the breeze. The coconut gives tender coconut. And its leaves are used to build thatched houses. The tamarind gives pleasant shade. The date tree and the neem tree give the medicinal values. The teak gives us wood. To make wooden furniture and doors. The mango tree gives tasty fruits for us. See, that's all students. Read well, and from that your home test part is 5th Roman 3 questions, and then 6th Roman this paragraph. Okay, after that related to this poem you have an worksheet also, so that also complete yourself. Okay, yeah, thank you students. Do well, all the best. We will see in the next class.